Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uVanelo so I'm back again with indaba zakweBetway Premiership. Amathimba amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Zoqala ngeindaba kade ishisa namhlanje iphumile kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns have ordered the winger uThembinkosi Lorch to return to training after spending the loan spell with iWydad Casablanca. Kuthiwa ke umjida wayefuna ukuthengwa iWydad Casablanca. iWydad Casablanca ayifuna ukuthenga uThembinkosi Lorch but ke iWydad Casablanca ayikhiphanga imali efuna iMamelodi Sundowns. iMamelodi Sundowns was willing to sell the player. Looks like uThembinkosi Lorch will return to iMamelodi Sundowns, but the coach of iMamelodi Sundowns doesn't want to use uThembinkosi Lorch. It seems like umjida uzobuyela kuMasters. Asazi ukuthi isituation yakhe imi kanjani right now, but ke right now umdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns uzobuyela kuSundowns. Ngabe uzodlala asazi. Kwezinye izindaba bafethe iphumile namhlanje Bafana iyodlala neNigeria. Bayodlala le eToyota Stadium lapha eBloemfontein. Indaba ke lezi abantu abaningi abangayithathanga kahle. Abantu abaningi ade befuna le game le iye le FNB noma le game iye le eMosmabhida. But ke for me as a football lover, as a person who knows in Nigeria, everybody knows ukuthi Johannesburg neDurban, those two cities are the biggest cities in South Africa. Johannesburg, Cape Town and Durban. Those cities are full of Nigerians. I'm not trying to be xenophobic here, I'm just stating facts. So when we take these games, kuloma cities akanjalo, izodala leyo nto leyo ukuthi ama-fans ase-Nigeria abe maningi lapha. Yabo, abe maningi FNB, ungafeel like i-home game. Kanti masiyithatha le game le siyisa le Free State ilapho khona so wabona ama-fans, siyawazi ke ama-fans ase Bloemfontein kanjani, afika agcwale ngobuningi acula from minute 1 until the 90 minutes. Yabo, so ngiyawathemba ama-fans alapha Bloemfontein. Igame izodlala ngomhla 9 September 2025 ngo-6 o'clock. Ningaphuthelwa ke bafethu niwathenga amathikithi niyosupport Bafana. Mekayiwina ke le game le amathuba ethu ukuthi siyodlala ku-World Cup azobe emaningi kakhulu. Kwi-group Bafana kuyona i-leader by 5 points. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu kuthiwa iFluminense neQatar SC have put in offers to iMamelodi Sundowns for uLucas Ribeiro Costa. Konke manje sekulele kuMamelodi Sundowns. Iyona ke iSundowns ekumele iyenze ukuthi iya-accepta noma iya-rejecta. But ke ngizwile indaba about uRibeiro bafethu ukuthi umjida ubuyelile in training. Umjida menikhumbula kahle I did a video regarding him efuna ilama club lawo to iQatar SC neFluminense. Umjida ubengekho kwi-training while the talks were ongoing. So umjida ubuyelile kwi-training ahead of le game bayidlala ngeweekend neRichards Bay. Asazi ke ukuthi ngabe uzohamba noma cha. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu uBongeni Sam neKaizer Chiefs have parted ways. Umjida uhlale isizini eyodwa with iKaizer Chiefs akaze adlale isho igame eyodwa isuka kuOrlando Pirates. Umjida ke sey-free agent right now. Noma yiphi team isengamthola mahala akadlalanga game wafika kwiKaizer Chiefs elimele. Enye yezinto leyo eyadala ukuthi umjida angadlali kwiKaizer Chiefs. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje iclub yaseNorthwest bafethu iLerumo Lions are set to purchase iclub yakwi-NFD iPretoria Kellies izothengelwa istatus iclub yase-Northwest. Izinto ezikanje bafethu sijwayele ukuyibona zenzeka kwi-PSL akusizona izinto kumele zisithuse but ke engathi sezenzeka kakhulu in the last 5 years mangake nje ama-team eswabona eshintshwa. Kumele ngishaye ivideo in the last 5 years uwodwa mangaka ama-team eswabone eshintshwa status. This is not normal. It's not normal behavior. Kumele iyekwe lento. Ama-team amaningi kumele akwazi ukuyilwela wona. Njengoba bezoshintsha status nje sekuphelile ngePretoria Kellies. Nayo yathenga status if I'm not mistaken. Ungangikhumbuza ama-comments konje yathenga status sani iPretoria Kellies ukuze ibe khona nayo lapha ku-NFD. Yabo, aloke eshintshisana nje lama club lawa. Aloke eshintshisana, which is not good for the standard of the teams. It's not good because what are you saying about the fans? The fans were supporting the club. Where will the fans go? Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iTS Galaxy officially parted ways with these following players: uKicken Dole, Siphiwe Mahlangu, Sibelebele, Zenan Zachimovic, uDamir Sofovich, Jerry Cooper, Max Munyai, Lindokuhle Mbatha, Thamsanqa Masiya, Lebone Siyema. Equality, yabona equality yalabadlali ehambile kwiTS Galaxy. It is a shocking discovery ukuthi bahambise abadlali abangaka. Some of these players parted ways. Some of these players amadila bawarenewanga. Some of these players were sold to other teams. Asazi ukuthi iTS Galaxy izokwenza njani kule season ezayo, but ke I see these guys doing well kwisizini ezayo. Yabo iTS Galaxy nalo ke bafethu italent lokurecruit abadlali abakwaziyo ukudlala. Ngiyabathemba ngalapho. Kwezinye zendaba eziphumile bafethu central midfielder uThapelo Mokoboti kuthi useyishiyile iMarumo Gallants uyojoyina iStellenbosch FC. Ideal isiconcludiwe bafethu sekulindelwe iStellenbosch sim-announce umshida as their new midfielder. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu eziphumile iclub leyadidlala neKaizer Chiefs. Asante Kotonko leyadidlala neKaizer Chiefs sebefikile le eGhana bafike necup bayikhombisa ama-Elders. Njalo wabona ke ama-Elders ajabulile kakhulu ukuthola le cup le. iKaizer Chiefs phela yashawa ishayo Asante Kotoko kuma penalties babedlala eMos Mabhida kwi-preseason friendly. It seems like le cup le ibibaluleke kakhulu kwi-Asante Kotoko bafethu njalo babona nje bajabule kakhulu. It's like bayaqala ukuboneka nje but ke iKaizer Chiefs yashawa ithime kanje bafethu. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu Thato Mokeke has joined iBaroka FC on a free transfer. Baroka FC are recruiting players. They want to go back to EPSL. They want to go back to iBetway Premiership. This is a good signing bafethu. A lot of experience umjida unayo. I hope uzokwazi ukuyisiza iBaroka FC. Kwezinye izindaba engizwile namhlanje Mayema Masheho Johannes moves to Iswelele from Mamelodi Sundowns have collapsed. The talks between the sides abakwazanga kwaconclude ama-deal. Menikhumbula ke uNeo Mayema naye ulinked with iSimba SC ufuna ukuyojoyina idefender leSundowns eseloniwe vele le. uMasheho umdlali wayo Mamelodi Sundowns ufunwa isikhukhune. Johannes ifuture yakhe from iSuperSport United to iSundowns kuthiwa ifuture yakhe kwiSundowns unclear. Yabo like some bosses iSundowns awekho happy with the signing yakhe uGideon Johannes. Asazi kwenzakalani ngoGideon Johannes bafethu. Izinto kanje ziyenzekayo bafethu ebholini. Umdlali asayinwe but ke i-team ingasiboni isidingo sakhe. Same as uThembi Nkosi-Lorch. Thembi Nkosi-Lorch was signed by Rolando Mkwena but ke yabo wafika ucoach omusha, he didn't like the player was loaned to iWydad Casablanca. So izinto kanje ziyenzeka bafethu. Joining iSundowns izinto kanje kumele uyilindele ezumdlali. Abadlali kumele babe strong bakwazi ukufighta for a scheme lapha kwiMamelodi Sundowns. Sengizoconclude nje ibona ke labadlali laba iKaizer Chiefs esibadedelile so far. Isidedele uBongani Sam, Tebogoto uPotsane, Edson Castillo, Ranga Chivaviro, Sabelo Ratebe, Mduduzi Mdantsane, Mdimslin Dove, Jabulo Blom, masekuba uYusuf Mart. So ibona abadlali laba bafethu iKaizer Chiefs. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu Iswelele are considering signing labadlali laba bathathu okubane ukusiphelele lithuli Relebohile Mukwane masekuba uWade Lekay. All three were part of the squad in this morning in their pre-season friendly against the Durban City. So Iswelele serious ngempela bafethu sifuna ukusayina abadlali abayiquality. Menikhumbula kahle ke labadlali laba bafethu kuthiwa babonakalile with Iswelele FC but ke izinto ayikakabi official. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu Ethan Brooks is on his way to USA to hold talks with EUSL Championship side in Lexington XC. He's a free agent after leaving Amazulu.